Hi there folks, it's UFO Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the simplest, easiest, best tasting chili you've ever had. Stay tuned. Now before we get started, I want to remind you, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss another episode of UFO Bob, alright? So today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple chili, alright? It's just beans, spices, and meat, alright? Real simple stuff. So we're going to start out here with olive oil, right there. We're going to have some olive oil, that's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin. Pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, minced. A half of a yellow onion, and you can use a red onion. A tablespoon of salt. 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin. 3/4 cups of beef broth. Then you're going to use, 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 15-ounce can of black beans drained, a 15-ounce can of red kidney beans drained, and anywhere from a pound to a pound and a half of hamburger. So we're going to start out with a large pot. We're going to put in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil, our salt and pepper, our onions, and our garlic. And we're going to cook them at about on a low heat, or medium heat roughly, low to medium, for about 5 minutes. And you're going to want to stir these, from time to time. Now let's add in the hamburger. Once you've browned the hamburger, you're going to add in the brown sugar, chili powder, and the cumin. Now we're going to add in the beef stock, tomato sauce, and the beans. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then once it starts to boil, we're going to bring it down to a low heat. We're going to let it simmer for about 2 hours. This recipe will serve about 4 people. And of course, you can put on your favorite toppings, onions or whatever. In my case, I'm going to put on shredded cheddar cheese. Well folks, there it is. Homemade chili. Let's give it a shot. That's really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're going to try my recipe. And until next time, this is UFO Bob, out.